up guys, it's me Geek. So here's the Ugreen USB A to USB B. If you don't know, USB B is famous for printer, audio interface, some old keyboard. So here's my unboxing and my review on it. I'm a big fan of Ugreen. This one I bought it for my own money. There's no sand. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, okay? This is a good quality USB cable, to be honest with you. For example, if you are using some kind of like old like word processor, you need a USB B to USB Type C. This is USB Type C, which means you can connect with your phone or any new connector. Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful. The build quality is quite good. Let me be honest with you. The build quality is quite good. Can I recommend it? Definitely yes. This is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and buy. Check out your links in the description.